I tend to believe that people are good and that they're being honest with me. Now, I also realize that I can set somebody up for being not truthful and for manipulating. Now, if I go, hey, here's a problem, right, that we're seeing, that's typical sales. But if you say, hey, there is something that every subcontractor and GC is having to deal with, nobody's talking about it, and then go into the diet. But there's a big difference between me saying there's a problem and me saying there's something everybody has having to deal with and nobody's talking about. And then I get to say to Martine, how are you dealing with that? Now, if Martine says, I'm good, I don't have any problems, my customers are great, that is awesome to hear, Martine. Man, that is awesome to hear. I will be here if that changes, or you just need access to additional revenue to grow the company or whatever you want to do with it. Fair enough? And now Martine is like, well, shit, that sounds pretty good. Actually, I do want some. So have your net outcome statement. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.